Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of any object in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. So I've got this clip here, and I'm going to show you how to change the color of the dress in it. First, head over to the color page. Now, I'll select the current node and press Alt+S to add a new serial node. Next, go to the Window tab and select the Curve Power window. I'm dragging the playhead to the end of the clip since that frame shows the most detail. It'll make masking the dress more accurate. Now I'll zoom in and start carefully drawing a mask around the dress using the Curve tool. Take your time with this. The more accurate your mask, the better the color change will look. Once the masking is done, head over to the Tracker window to track the mask. Since my playhead is at the end of the clip, I'll select Track Reverse, and DaVinci will automatically track the mask. If you notice that some parts of the dress aren't covered properly, to fix that, click on the Frame option in the Tracker panel. Now, use the left arrow key to go back one frame at a time and adjust the mask manually. Keep doing this until the entire dress stays perfectly masked in each frame. This part might take a little patience, but it's totally worth it. Once the mask is ready, it's time to change the color. Head over to the Curves panel and select the Hue versus Hue curve. Click on the curve line to create a point, then drag that point to shift the color to whatever you want. And that's it. The dress now has a brand new look. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to tap the bell.